KodeKloud is one of the best online learning platform when it comes to mastering DevOps or cloud skills. So they have more than 120 premium courses across lot of different topics here like DevOps, programming, automation, Linux, containers, orchestration, challenges, HashiCorp, uh, Kubernetes, DevSecOps, AWS, Red Hat. So there are a lot of different courses available here in this platform. So if you are someone who's looking to become a DevOps engineer, or if you want to build any cloud skill, then you should definitely check out this platform. They have a lot of good courses, and the best thing is you can access their premium courses for absolutely free of cost now, but this is only for the limited time. So let me tell you what you're getting for free now. So this is the regular pricing for KodeKloud subscription plans here in India. So the standard subscription cost you like 1,160 rupees per month. So right now you can access all the standard courses for absolutely free of cost. You can also access all the hands-on labs for absolutely free of cost. So what you need to do here is, I'll just leave this page link in description. Click on it and come to this particular page in our website where you'll see here KodeKloud free courses. So just scroll on in this page. So the reason why I'm telling you to come to this page is whenever KodeKloud has any offer, it will be updated here. So you can get to know this even if you watch this video after 1 year. So if you come to this page, you'll get to know what is the current offer that is available in KodeKloud. So there is a free week offer now. So from 10th February 2025 to 17th February 2025, that is for 1 week, you get to do whatever a paid member in KodeKloud does for absolutely free of cost. So you are going to get this KodeKloud standard subscription plan for absolutely free of cost. So if you are someone who is confused about KodeKloud and thinking about whether this is right for you or not, then this opportunity is very good for you, because you can try out their courses, hands-on labs, and see if KodeKloud is worth it for you or not. I'll also leave the KodeKloud review article in description. You can also go through our review about KodeKloud. So our thoughts will be there in it. So you might find it useful. Check it out. So what you have to do here is, once you're in this page, just scroll down and you'll see here get free access. So click on it and it will direct you to a sign up page like this. So give your name, email address, and set a password for your KodeKloud account and click on create account and create your account. And if you already have a KodeKloud account, you can simply sign into it and access everything in KodeKloud for absolutely free of cost for 1 week. So once you're logged in, you'll actually see what I said now. So you will get access to entire standard subscription library for free of cost. So you can just scroll down here and go to popular courses or whatever course that you need, and you can just take any course that you want here or whatever is available for free. And once you complete the course, you can also get your certification for absolutely free of cost. If you complete it within this 1 week, you can also get the certificate for free. If you wish to continue, you can also go ahead and take the KodeKloud subscription after 1 week. If you are satisfied with the platform, you can just try it out. So that is completely up to you. So currently this is available for free of cost. So once you're on the course page, you can get to know what this course actually includes, what is the language, everything is given here. So you can just go through it before enrolling in the course. You can go through the curriculum, the course content, everything is here. So go through everything and take any course that you want and, just learn for free. You can try the courses, hands-on labs, everything. So I hope you'll find this offer very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses like this, then do subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out.